Hi, my name is Preetha. I welcome you to this channel. For today's video, imagine you are coming home late from work, you're very tired, don't want to go shopping, and if your usual weeknight dinner is noodles and pesto, well, let's try something different. Allow me to show you. So this is a recipe from my grandmother's times. You can have it with your noodles, you can have it with rotis, you can have it with rice. It doesn't work well. Today I'm going to be making it with noodles. So today I'm going to give you the measurements to cook 4 hard-boiled eggs. Grab the 4 large eggs and cut them in pieces. Keep them aside. Next up, you will need 2 medium to large sized onions. Cut them again, finely chopped that is. Keep them aside. Let's grab a pan, heat some oil in it, and first add our onions. Next up, tomatoes, 2 medium to large. So grab these tomatoes, cut them in pieces or slices and keep them ready. Once the onions are soft, transparent, we will add our tomatoes and cook it for a few more minutes. Next, we will add about quarter to less than a quarter teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Once the tomatoes start pulling away from the corners of the vessel, you can add the other powder ingredients, which are quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Allow it to cook, keep stirring. Stir the mixture well and add the hard-boiled eggs to it. Cook for a few more minutes and then add a little bit of water if you want the gravy to be creamy. That's it. We're done. We're ready to serve. There you have it. Our lovely egg gravy is ready for us to enjoy with noodles or with rotis. I hope you guys will give this dish a try and let me know about it in the comment section. Give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel and catch me in my future videos. I'll see you soon with my next video post. Take care. Bye-bye.